Alright, this video, and I'm bringing you to my favorite fishing spot with that. For some reason they threw some rocks in there. Not too sure. But, I mean, it looks like they dug a bigger hole down there maybe? I don't know. These weird boulders now. Ooh, that was a bite. An awesome bite. Oh, come on. They must have dug a big hole down there to make it better. Maybe to clean out the pipe, maybe? I don't know, because this is really overgrown with duck and moss and stuff, but... Well, we're on. We're on. We got one. We caught ourselves a fishy. Trying to get away on me. Oh, you got my orange. Alright, so you're not even that cold for the release. You know, I'm starting to think this water is heated by something. Because that water's not cold. Feel it. That's why it's not frozen at all. And you see that steam on the water? It's because it's heated by something. Alright. Just lost my bait. So now we're going to go see what we can find for more bait. I did bring bait. I mean, but what I want to try...
Huh? Yeah, I know. Oh. I see you guys are having luck.
They're in here.
Hey,
what's up, buddy?
What's up? I'm going to come back over here.
Oh.
You filming today?
Yeah?
I'm filming too.
I'm filming what I can catch with stuff I find.
Really?
Do pink. I just got one off of Pink, but now it's floating over there.
Uh-oh.
So.
I did a free fishing challenge. You remember that, right?
Yeah.
I'm surprised we didn't get a lot of views off of that.
Well, you can see the pink deal I found, the pink worm out there.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, I found it over there. I'm like, dude, I'm trying that.
Yeah. I'm meeting a buddy of mine. Maybe we'll have to come back over here soon.
Yeah.
Is that that's a dead trout?
There's a dead trout there, but they changed this whole thing.
They did.
They dug it out.
Yep.
And then now there's boulders down here.
Well, it's better for walking if you get something stuck.
Yeah, but I mean...
I got my old GoPro stuck in the tree over there and had to wade in, and I sunk down in the mud like 2 feet.
Oh yeah, I tried getting some stuff out of the tree over there in my waders, and I was up to here, and he had to help me get...
It's bad.
He had to help me get out of it. I mean, this is one thing about this pond is you don't go in it.
Right.
All right. Let's see what we can find. We got some stuff there. All right, we're gonna go for this one, that one. We can try an orange. Well, that's what we're gonna try. All right, this is what we got. Oh, wait. We got a green one. Pink. All right, I think that's enough for a little bit. We might have to go around and find some more items. We got the boys over here. They've caught in two. Do they change? They must have replaced the pipe.
I feel.
I want to go over there though.
All right, we'll eventually walk that way. All right, we got a handful of goodies. Woo! I'm fishing the other pond.
And then the truck came. They dumped another 100. God,
Dude, that's a nice one.
that's a chunker. That's like a solid 13 or 14.
Yeah.
Finally, guys. Here's one in. It's just a toying with me. I'm just gonna toss it back in. You okay with that? Yeah, you're good. It's hard for me to reach down right now for certain reasons. But thanks for letting me fish here, guys.
How? Oh, we got one. Ooh, look at that.
Done.
We are on. Ooh, it's taking line.
Well, tell the YouTubers that you're fishing with trout players. That's a chunker.
Dude, that is a chunker.
Dude, I would take that home for sure. That's
Well,
a nail.
I might have to. I think he swallowed it. If I can't get it out, I have to keep it.
Yeah, my buddy is like a 14-year-old. I met him off the fishing. I'm a big fish brainer. Kidding me. Okay.
We're gonna let him have that hook. It's a nice one. We'll let him go.
Right. I don't mean to be rude. Maybe I just want to see. I was just going to say I will give you guys one of these. I just don't have a lot of them.
Oh no, we're good. We got plenty of stuff.
That wasn't rude, was it?
Ooh,
All you got?
got another one. Oh, it's barely on the tongue.
I've known that fish.
There we go. Dude, there was one just sitting right here.
Was there? Oh. This one feels pretty good.
And then it just swam away. Oh, did you get another one?
Yeah, another one. It was pretty good.
Dude, this is a pretty good day where they're hitting like this.
Oh, there we go. You guys go. Fishing is fun part. It's exciting and you never know what you catch.
We're casting it.
With these trout magnets. you
Right
can
there.
pick it
And
up.
let it sit. Walk. Step over here.
Well, wait, but I don't want to. Because
You'll be fine. Just step right here. Well, actually, that's about where I was standing. Let it sit. And then wait for them to take it. I've been running plastics this whole time and they've been taking it. Dude, you got one. See? Look at that pull.
Ice fishing pole?
Oh!
Dang.
Try it again.
It's really fun to fish pond in the back. The Anderson Wetlands pond.
Oh, the one over there?
Yep. But I've actually caught the sunfish and bass. Does he?
Dude, Matthew White got another one.
I have a freaking fish and a steak.
Dude, that's perfect.
Oh, there you go.
There you go, buddy.
Drop it.
You get a double? Whoa.
Nice.
Oh, right there.
There's one right there. If you hit him with the stick, though.
Give me the,
Oh, here he goes.
there's a pipe right there.
There he goes.
Can you roll my sleeves up? Because I kind of don't want to get my sleeves.
Go to the water over there and wash it off.
Yeah.
Right to the corner over there.
Oh, sorry.
Dude, that one's running everywhere.
These fish are nice quality nowadays.
They are. Well kept in the fish hatchery.
Huh? That's what you catch in the fish hatchery?
No, I said well kept in the fish. Alright, well, they're starting to stock this again, so we're here at Wilson's Pond. The fish are really hot. I mean, we've only been here a little while and we caught a lot of fish on video.